Welcome to Art Work, Art Home, Art Stories, and Art Education. In this video, I am providing explanation about painters and paintings. Today, we will talk about Emmanuel Banner. Emmanuel Banner, born on 29 October 1836, was a prominent French academic painter. His upbringing in the industrial town of Mulhouse, known for its thriving textile industry, may seem an unlikely starting point for an artist. However, Banner was born into a family that valued the arts. His twin brother Jan Banner also became a well-regarded painter. The Banner twins showed an early aptitude for drawing which was encouraged by their father, a local architect and amateur artist. Banner's formal artistic training began at the École des Beaux-Arts in Paris, where he studied under the tutelle of renowned academic artists such as Leon Bonnat and Jean-Leon Grouin. These mentors were leading figures in the academic art world, known for their emphasis on precious drawing, classical themes, and polished techniques. Banner's education at this prestigious institution instilled in him the principles of academic art that would dominate his career. During his studies, Banner was heavily influenced by the classical ideas of beauty and the human forms, as well as the meticulous attention to detail that characterize academic art. He developed a particular interest in portraiture and the depiction of mythological and allegorical subjects, which would become the hallmark of his work. Emmanuel's banners began exhibiting at the Paris Salon at the 1860s, critical platform of artists of the time. His work quickly gained recognition for its technical proficiency and adherence to the academic style. Banner's paintings were celebrated for their idealized beauty, harmonious composition, and masterful use of color and lights. His ability to render the human form with automatical precision and grace earned him a place among the leading academic painters of his generation. One of Banner's most famous works is Leda and the Swan, a painting that exemplifies this skill in depicting mythological subjects with a sensual yet refined approach. The painting, like much of his work, is characterized by its careful attention to detail, soft color plates, and the graceful rendering of the female form. This piece, along with others, helped solidify his reputation as a master of academic painting. Banner's success was not confined to France, his works were also exhibited internationally, including at the Exposition Universelle in Paris, where he received critical acclaim. His art appealed to the taste of the upper class, who admired the idealized beauty and classical themes in his work. Collectors and institutions alike sought after his painting, and his reputation grew beyond the borders of France. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel and share my video with family and friends. Thank you.